Here's some taxonomy of plants trivia. Subscribe. What is the scientific study of plants? Is it A, zoology, B, botany, C, geology, or D, ecology? The correct answer is B, botany. Which taxonomic rank comes after family? Is it A, genus, kingdom, C, species, or D, order? The correct answer is A, genus. Which plant is known for its ability to survive in deserts? Is it A, rose, B, fern, C, bamboo, or D, cactus? The correct answer is D, cactus. What is the primary pigment that gives plants their green color? Is it A, xanthophyll, B, carotene, C, chlorophyll, or D, anthocyanin? The correct answer is C, chlorophyll. Which family does the tomato belong to? Is it A, Cucurbitaceae, B, Brassicaceae, C, Rosaceae, or D, Solanaceae? The correct answer is D, Solanaceae. What group of plants includes ferns and horsetails? Is it A, gymnosperms, B, lycoris, C, angiosperms, or D, pteridophytes? The correct answer is D, pteridophytes. Which plant hormone is primarily responsible for growth? Is it A, cytokinin, B, abscisic acid, C, auxin, or D, ethylene? The correct answer is C, auxin. What type of leaves do conifers typically have? Is it A, palm fronds, B, simple leaves, C, needles, or D, broadleaf? The correct answer is C, needles. Which plant group is known for producing seeds? Is it A, algae, B, bryophyte, C, spermatophyte, or D, pteridophyte? The correct answer is C, spermatophyte. What is the term for plants that grow in water? Is it A, hydrophytes, B, terrestrial shrubs, C, aquatic mammals, or D, desert flora? The correct answer is A, hydrophytes. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.